One of application that is almost always on a smartphone is WhatsApp. This instant messaging application belong to Facebook is preferred because its use is simple, easy, and fairly light. Besides, of course, the name is trendy and is familiar to many people's ears. WhatsApp is a free messaging application that allows you to send messages or make calls to other WhatsApp users when the device is connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asad Lubis from State Politeknik of Semarang, and now I want to explain to you about one of the most popular communication application in the world today. I want to explain how to use WhatsApp application.
First, install WhatsApp. You can search and download it for free through the device application store. If you are Android user, you can use Play Store or App Store if you are iOS user. To download the WhatsApp application, all you need is data quota, sufficient memory, and supported device or operating system. Open WhatsApp. Touch the open button in the device application store window or touch the green and white WhatsApp application icon if you want to download it. Touch agree and continue. This link is at the bottom of the screen. On an Android device, select agree and continue. Enter your telephone number. Type the number in the text column display in the middle of the page. 6. Touch down. This button is in the top right corner of the screen. On an Android device, touch the next option at the bottom of the screen. Touch OK when prompted. After that, WhatsApp will send a short message containing that verification code. Enter the verification code in the column provided. As long as you don't type it wrong, your cell phone identity will be confirmed and you will be directed to the account verification page. Enter name and photo. Although it's optional, adding photo helps you confirm your identity to other contacts. If you have downloaded WhatsApp before, you will first get the option to restore. Touch done to continue. Now you are ready to send message using WhatsApp. Now how to send chat? I touch the new chat icon. This icon is in the top right corner of the screen. On an Android device, touch the white conversation button icon with a green background in the lower right corner of the screen. Select contact. Touch the name of the contact you want to chat with. Enter message. Type the message you want to send. You can use the default emoji keyboard of the phone to insert emoji. Send a message. Touch the send icon on the right side of the chat box. After that, the message will be displayed on the right side of the chat window. Okay, that's video from me. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.